Take a ride in the 2024 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, steel wheels, dual rear wheels, tires, front all-season, front license plate bracket, tires, rear all-season, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.